Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and start a workout on a ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for ladder, find the application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. So the first thing we need to do is to go ahead and either buy a pro subscription or start the 7-day free trial that is going to be offered to you if this is your first time starting the application. Because ladder cannot be used for free, you need to go ahead and have a subscription. So once you've done that and open up the application, this is going to be the main page from where we can get started with choosing a workout. So here in the bottom right corner, first things first, you can select your team that you want to be a part of that's going to have different workouts, and then we can go to the workout tab right here in the bottom left corner from where we can get started with starting the workouts. As you can see here, we have the welcome workout that's going to enable us to start the workout and then go ahead and complete the rest of the workouts from where we can get started continuing our plan. As you can see right here at the bottom screen, you can go ahead and take a look at what workouts you have done and what you have to do to complete your profile, after which you can get started unlocking your workouts and starting them, choosing which ones you want to do, what day, and so on. All of that is going to be doable right here, so that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.